Think about the last time you reached through the window to start your car without sitting in the seat, only to have it jump forward because it was in gear. That terrifying safety risk is exactly why your manual transmission vehicle has a clutch position sensor. And when you see the code P0805, it means that safety net is failing. This code is all about the circuit that tells your powertrain control module or transmission control module exactly where your clutch pedal is at any given moment. Usually, this sensor is just a simple switch mounted right near the top of your clutch pedal arm that completes a circuit when you push the pedal to the floor, allowing the starter motor to engage. If the computer sees a voltage that does not make sense, it might prevent the car from starting entirely, or even worse, it might let the engine crank when the clutch is still engaged. To fix this, you should start by looking for the obvious stuff like a loose floor mat that might be jammed under the pedal or a connector that got kicked loose by someone's foot. Grab your digital multimeter and check for 12 volts on one side of the switch when the pedal is up. When you push that pedal down, you should see that power transfer over to the other side. If you are getting power in but nothing is coming out even when the switch is clicked, you have found your culprit. Do not make the common mistake of running out to buy a brand new starter motor or an expensive control module before you have thoroughly checked this simple switch and its wiring. Check the ground straps too, because a loose or corroded ground wire can play tricks on your electronics and make a perfectly good sensor look like it is broken. If the wiring in the switch looks solid, you might be looking at a software issue that requires flashing the control module, but 9 times out of 10, it is just a worn-out plastic switch or a wire that has rubbed through its insulation against the metal pedal assembly. Fixing this promptly is not just about getting rid of that annoying check engine light. It is a genuine safety priority to make sure your car does not lurch into a wall or another vehicle when you turn the key.